Hey gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Now winter doesn't mean the end of gardening. It's the perfect time to plant garlic and onions. Today, we'll walk you through how to plant these delicious and versatile crops in January and February, plus the best companion plants to grow alongside them for healthier, pest-free gardens. Let's get started. Garlic and onions thrive in cool temperatures, making them ideal for planting during winter. Now, planting them now allows their roots to establish before the spring growth surge, leading to bigger bulbs and better yields. First, let's talk about the soil. Garlic and onions love loose, well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Now you want to add compost or well-rotted manure to beds to provide the nutrients these crops need. And don't forget to test your soil's pH. It should be between 6.0 and 7.0. Now for the fun part, planting. For garlic, break apart the bulb into individual cloves, but do not peel them. Plant each clove 2 to 3 inches deep, pointy side up, and about 6 inches apart. Now for your onions, you want to plant the sets about 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart, the pointy tips just above the soil line. Now, did you know companion planting can improve your harvest of garlic and onions? Here are some great pairings. Alright, carrots and beets help maximize space and grow well alongside onions. Now, spinach and lettuce provide ground cover to suppress your weeds. Chamomile enhances the flavor of garlic, while marigolds help repel pests like aphids and nematodes. Avoid planting garlic and onions near legumes like beans or peas. They compete for nutrients and do not grow well together. To protect your crops in freezing temperatures, you want to cover them with a light layer of mulch like straw or shredded leaves. This keeps your soil warm and prevents weeds from taking over. And that's it. Garlic and onions are incredibly rewarding to grow. And with these tips, you'll set yourself up for a bountiful harvest, inshallah. Don't forget to plan your companion planting for a healthier, more productive garden, inshallah. Now here we have some winter gardening tips. Now you want to plant garlic and onions. Prepare for spring with indoor seedlings. Winter can also be the perfect time to plan ahead for a productive spring garden. While garlic and onions grow outdoor, you can also focus on preparing your garden beds and starting indoor seedlings for spring planting. Start by clearing out any remaining debris from last season's crops. Add a fresh layer of compost or aged manure to enrich the soil, even if you're not planting right away. This allows the nutrients in the soil to break down over winter, giving you nutrient-rich soil come spring. Next, cover your garden beds with a light layer of mulch to protect the soil from erosion, freezing, and weeds. Now, straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves work great for this. Winter is also the time to start planning your spring garden by growing seedlings indoors. Here's how. Choose the right seeds. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, broccoli, and herbs like basil thrive when started indoors. Use seed trays and quality soil. Fill trays with a light, well-draining seed starting mix to give your seedlings the best start. Provide light and warmth. Place trays near a sunny window or use grow lights to ensure 12 to 16 hours of light daily. Now you do want to keep the temperature around 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for seeds to germinate. Label and water carefully. Label your seeds and water them lightly to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Now, a pro tip: use a heat mat under your seed trays to speed up germination, especially for warm weather crops like peppers and eggplants. Once your seedlings are a few weeks old, you'll need to harden them off before planting them outdoors. This involves gradually introducing them to outdoor conditions to avoid transplant shock. By mid-spring, your seedlings will be strong and ready to take their place in your well-prepared garden beds. Winter gardening isn't just about maintaining your crops. It's about setting the stage for a flourishing spring garden. By planting garlic and onions now and starting your spring seedlings indoors, you're ensuring a head start for the growing season. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos about seasonal gardening tips. Let's grow together, inshallah.